Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Beautiful day out on the Town Lake Trail again here out on the boardwalk. I wanted to go into a somewhat debatable topic on what is waiving your escrows at closing on a purchase transaction. So, okay, alright, before you come down on me for being irresponsible on a financial investment, alright, this is not for everyone, okay? So full disclosure, if you're a first-time buyer and you want to keep it really simple, straightforward, set up your escrow account, pay your taxes and your homeowner's insurance on a monthly basis. I get that. I want that for you, and that's a smooth move. It's a great way to do it. Manage your taxes on a monthly basis. That's all good. For the more savvy type, maybe an investor, maybe a second or third time homeowner that is just feeling like, maybe the assessed value on this property is a lot more than what I'm actually going to be paying on a monthly after I protest. I have capital that I could set aside maybe and invest it in the meantime and get some appreciation. I have some options for you, and that is waiving escrows. Now, it used to be that you could only waive escrows if you had at least 20% down, but that is no longer the case with conventionals. They have never done. You can never waive your escrows on an FHA loan, by the way, but on conventionals, you can waive your escrows even down to 5% with our bank. What that does is, number one, it's a closing cost benefit. There's a huge benefit to waiving your escrows at closing. You're not going to be required to come up with the traditional 6-7 months sometimes of prepaid taxes and homeowners insurance and a full year of homeowners insurance at the closing table. So that's a huge benefit. So a $500,000 purchase, that's probably about $8,000 depending on the taxes for that property. So the big benefit on closing costs. The second benefit is just from a monthly standpoint, cash flow. You need to pay your taxes at the end of the year. Don't get me wrong, okay? But at the same time, if you have capital set aside, you are in a high yield savings, you're getting some appreciation on, you get paid every once in a while, or you have some dividends that you pay at a certain time of the year. You have a big tax return you can invest early on in the year that you're going to set aside responsibly on your own terms, to pay taxes. Then this is a great benefit from a cash flow standpoint. It offers you a lot of flexibility, to do what you want to do with your money. It keeps you in control of the situation. And then thirdly, it allows you to properly protest your assessed values, especially the first and second years of your home ownership. Okay, so right now, a lot of contracts out there, the assessed value from 2022, which is the numbers that we are going to use to create your escrow amount payment monthly for this year, are based on assessed values that are way higher than what your contract price might actually be. So you could be potentially overpaying for taxes, for the life of the home, every single month, because your prorated escrow amount monthly is never going to go down. Your monthly payment from the first year is never going to go down below what it was originally created. It can go up if your taxes go up, but it'll never go down. So you're going to be overpaying for taxes likely for quite some time. And that's not until you sell the home, not just refinance. You have to sell the home to actually get that return from the escrow account. You're never wasting your money blowing it or anything, but it's just being set aside in a really long-term savings account. All right, so those are some of the major benefits, those three things right there. So I just wanted to drop a dime there. Again, this is not for everyone, but it is really kind of a savvy idea and can create some opportunities for you. A lot of investors do it, that's for sure. You can do it down as low as 3% conventionals, actually. So any conventional loan, you can now waive your escrow. So hit me up to learn more, man. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on it. I could be totally wrong about this for you personally. That's cool. Everybody has, their own way of managing their funds and managing what they want from a monthly standpoint. Everybody gets paid a little bit differently, right? So hit me up to learn more. We can talk shop. Holy cow, it's beautiful out. Oh, I love this little section of the trail right here with the chairs. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Okay, take it easy. Have a good one, and happy holidays.